folks, and welcome to Cricket Scrapbook. My name is Rahul Minocha, and you are watching Scrapbook of Memes. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with the latest videos. In this episode of Scrapbook of Memes, we take a look at some of the best memes floating around the internet during the first test match between India and England. Let's have a look. The Rockstar tweets, story of the day. Hard work versus hard rock. I mean, all the three Indian bowlers were working really hard और सिबली वहाँ पे रॉक की तरह खड़ा हुआ था. Sibley scored 87 from 286 balls. I mean, after this innings, he truly deserves the title of the Rock of England. He played really well and really long. Really long. This is this is Joe Root as the Undertaker, and this is the entire cricket team ka reaction. Whatever we did was basically useless and pointless, by the way. Omkar Mahajan, after seeing today's pitch curator to Ravi Shastri and Kohli, भारी mistake हो गया sir, एकदम blunder हो गया. हाँ, you'd call this a blunder only. The pitch was as flat as a highway on the first 3 days. मतलब कम से कम as curators, this I think was the first pitch that this particular curator has curated, and I don't think he did a very good job. First 3 days at least there was nothing on the pitch. Then Shehbaz Nadeem picked in playing 11 after Akshar Patel is injured. Exactly, is he a joke to you, team management? Is he a joke to you? पिछले 4 महीने से you have him in the team and you haven't played him in a single match. You're basically wasting him. Ayush Saxena tweets something similar. Kuldeep Yadav to team management. Beep, कोई importance ही नहीं रहा. Actually, मतलब एटलीस्ट नहीं खिलाना है तो डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट में छोड़ दो. और if you can't pick 11 from the 18 that you have, what is the point in naming a 18? I mean, what are the selectors doing? 18 में से भी if you can't pick 11, Akshar Patel was named in the first 11. Akshar Patel injured हुआ तो शहबाज नदीम को खिला दिया, who is not even named in the 18. या तो कुलदीप यादव को मत नेम करो in the 18. But after naming him in the 18, this is completely injustice towards Kuldeep Yadav. Rohit Bhajan Singh. I mean, yes, after bowling for 5 sessions and getting only 4 wickets, Rohit Sharma was given the ball for 2 overs, and last ball he did in Harbhajan Singh's action. And Joe Root full toss tha, फिर भी he was so caught up in laughing that he could only manage to hit it for 1 single. This was very funny during the match. Me watching India versus England test match and waiting for wickets. I mean, seriously, अगर ये weekend पे नहीं हो रहा होता match, and I wasn't going to make this particular video that I'm making right now, I wouldn't have seen this match while it was happening. It was so boring, and England weren't scoring too many runs also, and India weren't being able to get too many wickets. ठीक है, England का strategy later paid off, but this is quite disgraceful from the point of view of the Indian cricket team. But you played with 5 bowlers, फिर भी you couldn't manage to get them out. No matter कितना भी pitch flat था, at least Shehbaz Nadeem and Washington Sundar, they need to buckle up with the bowling. Otherwise, उनका selection in test matches looks difficult from here on. UP वाले tweet summary of the 2 days of first test. बहुत मारा, धागा खोल दिया. एकदम ही धागा खोल दिया, स्पेशली रूट ने और बाद में जॉस बटलर ने भी. They hit it a lot. I mean, जॉस बटलर नहीं, बेन स्टोक्स and रूट ने बहुत मारा. Every drop of your sweat counts. This for reverse swing. If you can't see the picture, Mayank Agarwal is wiping the sweat of Washington Sundar with the ball. ये ball को shine करने के लिए now you can't use spit, so you can only use your sweat to shine the ball. Or shining the ball on one side is very important for reverse swing. So every drop of your sweat counts. This was very funny. Ajinkya Darshane posted this in a group cricket meme center in Facebook. Dakla spinner देखा तो उसको फेल दिया. पंत का this was 91 of some 88 balls और Dom Best नहीं, this is Jack Leach. Jack Leach को क्या मारा है इस मैच में. पंत ने धागा खोल दिया. This Vidushi Baheti tweets scenes on cricket when Rahane fails and versus when Rohit or Virat fails. Oh dear. I mean, yes, Rahane ka after that century in 6 innings, he hasn't done anything great. I think his highest after that is some 37 or 33 runs, which isn't great for the vice captain of India. Highly inconsistent from Ajinkya Rahane. We expect better as fans. ICC, when Rishabh Pant is batting. When Rishabh Pant is batting, everyone is jumping and bouncing, but no one is taking wickets. This is exactly what happens. You actually need Spider-Man to come and catch balls of Rishabh Pant. This meme posted by Soham Devnath, trying hard to get a place in RCB's bowling lineup. 6 overs for 59 runs. RCB की टीम में ऐसे ही बोला जाता है जो 10 runs an over minimum पिटे और विकेट ना ले. This is perfect. Then Circle of Cricket tweeted, "Don't we all love cricket?" मतलब शादी चल रहा है and people are watching test match. I mean, life isn't that important. Cricket is more important. This I think deserves tweet of the match. शादी is not that important. Washington Sundar to England bowlers in Chennai. ये हमारा इलाका है. In very मिर्जापुर dialect. इसके आगे गाली तो बनना जरूरी है क्योंकि ये मिर्जापुर के सीरीज से लिया है. But Washington Sundar ने बैटिंग बहुत अच्छी की. Bowling he'll have to improve if he has to play as an all-rounder. But बैटिंग तो बहुत अच्छी. This is Wasim Jafar congratulating Ashwin. 28 5% just 75 tests. Everyone calls Nathan Lyon as the GOAT, greatest of all time, GOAT. But I think Ashwin as an off spinner deserves that title more than Lyon. I mean, I don't think Ashwin is the greatest of all time either, but he at least deserves that title of GOAT more than Nathan Lyon. When you see that India has taken England's 5 wickets, then you see that England has taken a lead of 350 plus runs. Actually 420 का टारगेट सेट किया था and एकदम ही ऐसा रिएक्शन था when you're watching Ashwin taking wicket after wicket after wicket, but you're seeing कि लीड भी बढ़ता ही जा रहा है and we can do nothing to stop it. No balls. इंडिया ने कितने no balls किए. I mean, first innings में I think there were 28 no balls. That is just unacceptable. I mean, commentators ने at some point they said कि because the third umpire is now calling no balls, तो अभी ज़्यादा no balls call हो रहे हैं. But फिर भी इतने no balls, इंग्लैंड ने भी no balls किए, but इंडिया ने तो मतलब bowled more than 30 no balls, which is completely unacceptable in any test match. In any match, test match to छोड़ो. Test match is the highest form of cricket. इसमें तो allowed ही नहीं होना चाहिए. ईशांत शर्मा getting 300 test wickets. उसका यही reaction, this sledge has become iconic for Ishant Sharma. Virat Kohli standing as the lone warrior against England bowlers. एक के बाद एक wickets गिरते जा रहे हैं और विराट कोहली खड़ा हुआ है. Virat Kohli भी hasn't scored a century since the beginning of 2020. But at least in this innings, in the last innings in this match, he looked in form. But he got no support. I think only Shubman Gill scored a half century. And other than that, सब single digit scores stay after Virat Kohli. लगान scenes going on. बस छू के दौड़ कचरा. एक स्टेज पे वही लग रहा था कि भुवन और कचरा बैटिंग कर रहे हैं. और भुवन being विराट कोहली obviously and कचरा being शहबाज अली. वही लग रहा था. गेम बचा तो नहीं सकते थे, but somewhere in the corner of my heart we were hoping कि maybe लगान हो जाए और 2 गुना लगान ना देना पड़े. बट अभी तो लग रहा है कि ऐसे ही खेलते रहे अगर तो 2 गुना क्या 4 गुना लगान देना पड़ सकता है by losing the 4 match series. Hopefully we still qualify, but for the World Test Championship I mean. But things after this match are looking very dicey. My God, what a legend Anderson is. He is 38 years old. 38 years old. और वो रिवर्स स्विंग कैसे करा रहा था. शुभमन गिल और रहाने को LBW अपील था ऑन 1 ball before. उस पे भी रहाने was out actually. He was very lucky कि वो बच गया अंपायर्स कॉल पे, but रहाने was out. and फिर next ball पे he gets clean bowled. Anderson is a legend. Anderson is a complete legend. 38 years old and he's taken 610 wickets. 610 wickets as a fast bowler. I mean, are you kidding me? 610 wickets. Indian cricket fans right now. वही रुला दो, एकदम रुला दो. I mean, सही में अगर ये मैच के बाद दिया होता, I would literally be crying right now. World Test Championship qualification scenarios. England already replaced India at number 1. England न्यूजीलैंड लग रहा है कि अगर ऐसे ही चलता रहा सीरीज तो हो जाएगा. इंडिया के लिए बहुत खराब पोजीशन है. But India can still bounce back. 3 matches remaining. We need to win 2. At least we need to win 2, and we need to win the series as well. So let's hope India bounces back and we win the series at least 2-1, नहीं तो 3-1. लेकिन जीतना बहुत जरूरी है. 2-2 ड्रॉ भी हो गया तो बीच में ऑस्ट्रेलिया निकल जाएगा, and Australia will be in the finals of the World Test Championship. But India, if any side can come back from this point, it is India. Adelaide में हारने के बाद India bounced back. So here's hoping, fingers crossed, here's hoping India will bounce back again. But what do you think? Who will qualify? Please let me know in the comment section below. Also, please like the video, guys. Show some love.